How to stop snoring naturally at home. Welcome to How To, your go-to channel for solving everyday problems with practical tips and natural remedies. Are you or loved one struggling with snoring? You're not alone. Snoring is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide. But the good news is that you can address it naturally at home. In this video, we'll cover the causes of snoring, natural remedies to stop it, and tips to improve your overall sleep quality. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding snoring. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand what snoring is and why it happens. Snoring occurs when air flows through relaxed tissues in your throat, causing them to vibrate as you breathe. This vibration creates that familiar sound we call snoring. The main causes of snoring include 1. Obstructed nasal airways. This can happen due to allergies, colds, or sinus infections. 2. Poor sleep posture. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue to block your airway. 3. Excess weight. Extra tissue around the throat can lead to snoring. 4. Alcohol consumption. Drinking before bed relaxes throat muscles, worsening snoring. 5. Smoking. Smoking irritates the throat and nasal passages, increasing the likelihood of snoring. Understanding these causes will help us tackle the problem effectively. Part 2. Lifestyle changes to reduce snoring. One of the best ways to address snoring is by making small yet impactful lifestyle changes. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Extra weight around your neck can narrow your airway, leading to snoring. Incorporate regular exercise and a balanced diet to shed excess pounds. 2. Avoid alcohol before bedtime. Alcohol relaxes your throat muscles, making snoring more likely. Avoid drinking at least 3 to 4 hours before you go to sleep. 3. Quit smoking. Smoking irritates and inflames the airway. Quitting smoking can significantly improve your breathing and reduce snoring. 4. Sleep on your side. Lying on your back causes your tongue to fall backward, obstructing airflow. Sleeping on your side keeps your airway open. Try using a body pillow to maintain this position. 5. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can thicken mucus in your throat and nasal passages, leading to snoring. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Part 3. Natural remedies to stop snoring. Now, let's look at some natural remedies you can try at home to reduce snoring. 1. Steam inhalation. Boil water and pour it into a bowl. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil. Place a towel over your head and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps clear nasal congestion and improve airflow. 2. Honey and warm water. Mix a teaspoon of honey in a glass of warm water and drink it before bed. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the throat and reduce vibrations. 3. Nasal strips or saline rinse. Use nasal strips to open up your nasal passages. Alternatively, try a saline rinse to clear out mucus and allergens. 4. Essential oils. Lavender and peppermint oils can help reduce snoring. Diffuse these oils in your bedroom or mix them with a carrier oil and apply to your chest. 5. Turmeric milk. Add a teaspoon of turmeric to a glass of warm milk. Drink this before bedtime to reduce inflammation and promote better breathing. Part 4. Exercises to stop snoring. Throat and tongue exercises can strengthen the muscles around your airway, reducing the chances of snoring. Let's try a few. 1. Tongue slide exercise. Stick your tongue out as far as possible. Slowly move it side to side without letting it touch your teeth. Repeat 10 times. 2. Throat exercise. Say each vowel A, E, I, O, U out loud and exaggerate the sound. Repeat this 10 to 15 times before bed. 3. Mouth closing exercise. Close your mouth and press your lips tightly together. Hold for 10 seconds and repeat. 4. Jaw exercises. Open your mouth wide and move your jaw to the left, then to the right. Do this 10 times. Part 5. Creating the perfect sleep environment. A comfortable sleep environment can make a huge difference. Here's what you can do. 1. Use a humidifier. Dry air can irritate your throat and nasal passages. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, reducing snoring. 2. Keep your bedroom allergy-free. Wash your bedding regularly and vacuum your room to remove dust and allergens. 3. Elevate your head. Use an extra pillow to slightly raise your head while sleeping. This prevents your airway from being blocked. Part 6. When to see a doctor. While these remedies work for most people, some cases of snoring require medical attention. If you experience any of the following, consult a doctor. Loud snoring that disrupts others. Gasping or choking during sleep. Excessive daytime fatigue. Snoring caused by a deviated septum or sleep apnea. Snoring can be frustrating, but it doesn't have to control your life. With these natural remedies and lifestyle changes, you can enjoy peaceful, snore-free nights. Try these tips and let us know which worked best for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to How To for more practical solutions to everyday problems. Sweet dreams.